Hello, my name is Connor Lange, and for my PSLO presentation, I'm going to be reviewing page A101 from the School Edition plans. Now, the A101 down here stands for Architectural Drawing 101, and it's mostly going to consist of a top-down view of the first floor of the School Edition. Now, this top-down view is going to have a lot of information that it'll give us, and it also will give us the directions to go to another page if there's more specific information that you need about a specific topic. So we'll start down here in the bottom of the page. Here it's going to let us know that this is the addition alterations junior high school. This is our first floor plan. Let us know when it was designed and that it was drawn, checked, and reviewed by a certain individual, letting us know that this set of plans is well into the planning process, potentially even ready to be built using this set of plans. Now, over here in the bottom right of each of these panels, we'll have the scale for each of these that's done. So, for the big key plan, it says that an inch equals 120 feet. A little bit more useful, this 1/8 inch equals a foot over here. So there's going to be a lot of useful measurements in here letting us know wall to wall, the width of the corridor, the width of the elevator shaft. But if there's anything that's not specified on here and we need to get the measurement of it, we can go ahead and use our architect's ruler, go over to this 1/8 scale, and measure anything on here and be able to get that measurement accurately. Now, on this top-down view, it's going to label each of these rooms. All of the classrooms are labeled, the corridors labeled. Over here, there's a little bit more detail on the types of corridors. So this is going to be corridor 106, letting us know that it's going to be the corridor in the middle here. This down here is corridor 114, which is the corridor that's leading into the building. Now, on this architectural page, there are going to be details that aren't going to be written out on the page because it would be a little bit too busy, and we have a key legend over here to give us that information. So let's go, for example, corridor 106. It's letting us know that there's a 1050A on this wall. No one's going to know what that is without having some sort of legend, so over here, it lets us know that a 1050A are going to be single-tier lockers. Now we can look at a lot of useful information in this room, so we'll just go to classroom 107. Here's going to let us know which way the doors swing, the orientation of the windows. It's going to let us know what types of walls that this classroom is surrounded by. So it's got a 2, a 3, and a 4. And also included in this page is going to be the details of those types of walls. So we'll go down here to the wall detail, or the wall types. It'll let us know a 2, 3, and a 4 wall. It's made out of 420C. We can go back to our legend. That's a concrete masonry wall. And it's also going to let us know our fire ratings. So we have a 3/4 hour rating for the 2 and the 4 wall, and a 2-hour rating for the 3 wall. So those different fire ratings are going to determine how much fire protection these walls will generate in case of a fire in the building. And they're designed so that if a fire were to occur, it wouldn't. They would try to prevent it from running out of control and destroying the building. Now on this plan, it's going to label nearly everything. We have the machine room, classroom 107, 8, so it'll let us know where these rooms are in relation to one another, the dimensions of those rooms, what type of walls are in between them, and then it's going to have additional details that it'll ask you to find on a separate page. So over here, this is letting us know that this is detail A14, and we're going to find that on architectural page 501, or this J6 on architectural page 201. So there's going to be details about footings and wall types and different ways that the building is constructed that's not going to be listed on the front page, but it will give you some indication as to where you can find that later on in the plans. Now over here we have our different types of corridors that are going into the building. We have corridor 106, and that's going to be right here labeled, and corridor 114, which is coming in from the school. So there's a lot of useful information on this page that can give you insight into how these plans are to be used, built, and constructed. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.